Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna tell you how to make an old computer table to look more interesting and cool. All I did was 3 simple cheap updates to my desk and it drastically improved the look and feel of it. This is how it looked before and this is how it looks now. So what are those 3 updates? Number 1 is the Amazon Basics monitor arm. This one cost around 2000 rupees and it is available in Amazon. The installation process is so simple and it comes with the instruction for mounting on the table. Since the instructions are clear, you won't be having any trouble in installing them. It comes with tilt and rotate functions and it made my life so easy in cable management. Number 2 is LED strip for monitor backlight. I bought these LED strips for 499 rupees. I simply stuck them around my monitor's rear side and they have many color modes to play around. My favorite mode is this slow color changing mode which gives good ambient light effects. It enhances my gaming and editing experience by reducing my eye strains. And number 3, some decoratives. For decorations, I bought a plastic pot set of 4 for 399 rupees and made them into these cute looking smiley pots by drawing smiley faces on them, which I found from internet. Along with this, I also included this cute doggy which barks when I squeeze it. And that's it for the video guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do check the links for buying these products in the description below. Let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below and please subscribe to the channel for more updates in the future. Let us stay connected and be creative. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Yeah.